In the ever-evolving landscape of the global tablet market, the competition remains fierce and dynamic. Apple's dominance with its iconic iPads is undisputed, but the field is far from one-sided. Giants like Samsung, Huawei, and Lenovo are consistently striving to bridge the gap and challenge Apple's stronghold. However, the arena isn't exclusive to industry behemoths. Smaller players are actively making their presence felt. Among them, Oukitel, a company that has been gaining attention for its durable devices, has now unveiled its latest innovation, the RT7 Titan 5G rugged tablet. The precedent set by Oukitel's previous RT6 model was marked by its impressive durability and a colossal 20,000 mAh battery capacity. Building upon this legacy, the RT7 Titan 5G emerges as a trailblazer in its own right. As the first rugged tablet to offer 5G connectivity, it signifies a significant leap in technological advancements. This innovative tablet is purposely developed to endure the most challenging environments, rendering it exceptionally suitable for deployment in construction, manufacturing, and similarly demanding sectors. Distinguishing itself with commendable credentials, the RT7 Titan 5G boasts MIL STD810G and IP68 and IP69K certifications, certifying its resilience against drops, dust, water immersion, and extreme temperature fluctuations. The tablet further fortifies itself with a shockproof bumper and a rubberized coating, augmenting its ability to withstand the rigors of daily use. Under the hood, the tablet is fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor, accompanied by a robust 12 GB of RAM. This configuration empowers the RT7 Titan 5G to exhibit impressive speed and responsiveness, critical for multitasking and demanding applications. Storage capacity is addressed generously, with a native 256 GB allocation, expandable up to a staggering 1 TB, using a microSD card. The 10.1-inch IPS display, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, ensures vibrant visuals that remain discernible even in glaring sunlight. The device incorporates a dual-camera setup on its rear surface, featuring a 48-megapixel primary sensor, a 20-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The front-facing camera weighs in at 8 megapixels, ensuring quality for video calls and selfies. Eclipsing even its predecessor, the RT7 Titan 5G harbors an impressive 32,000 mAh battery. This behemoth of a power source claims to offer up to 180 days of standby time, promising unparalleled endurance. Moreover, the tablet supports fast charging capabilities, facilitating swift recharges for users on the go. As the global tablet market continues to evolve, the emergence of the Oukitel RT7 Titan 5G stands as a testament to the industry's pursuit of innovation and excellence. The blend of rugged durability, cutting-edge 5G connectivity, robust performance, and extended battery life solidifies this device as a compelling contender in a market defined by intense competition. Whether it's the world of industry or the consumer space, the Oukitel RT7 Titan 5G establishes itself as a reliable and potent choice, catering to those seeking a tablet that can thrive amidst the most challenging circumstances. The RT7 Titan 5G, a revolutionary rugged tablet equipped with 5G connectivity, has now become available for purchase on the popular online marketplace AliExpress. This breakthrough device, which encapsulates durability, innovation, and advanced technology, is currently being offered at an exceptionally attractive price point of $311. This represents a remarkable discount from its original price of $1,004, making it an irresistible proposition for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.